the fuck? Some cobbled up shit. Phew. Somebody needs to have their tools taken away from them, that's sure, for sure. Oh boy. Some good parts anyhow. Like some decent rims. Don't care about that hypercharger, none. Oh, fender butchered. Some kind of monkey fuck lights. Oh, no idea about shocks. Like the rear axle's loose. Oh, no idea. 52,442 miles. Don't even know if the speedometer works. Clutch ain't got much action on it. Some cobbled up monkey shit anyhow. All right. I think it smells like gas in the oil. I'm not sure what it got going on there, but looking at all that mess, how it's hooked up, is no telling. First thing to do is drain that oil out, change that filter. Oh, maybe put a battery on the charger. I don't know about what the hell that little thing's gonna do. Ignition switch, I think I got it. Switch, it'll fit right in there. Check out them plugs, maybe run a bore scope down them cylinders. Let's see what the hell we got into. Nothing else, we'll make some parts out of the damn thing. Well, throttle doesn't move that none, but it may need some vacuum to do that. Okay.